So when using loops, sometimes we may need to terminate current iterations or loops and do other executions in, well, certain conditions. In this situation, we can use break and next as our statements to alter the flow of a normal loop. So let me show you how to do that. So let's say that we want to print numbers starting from 0 to 5, but when it reaches 3, break that loop. So we'll create first a loop variable, I is 0, while I is less than 5, puts I, and increment the loop variable. Save and run. Prints numbers from 0 to 5. So now let's add a break statement. If I is equal to 3, then break. Save it and run the script. Show numbers 0 to 3. So yeah, when loop variable equals 3, it executes a break statement and then exits from the loop. So now let's say that we want to print numbers starting from 0 to 5 except 3. So I equals 0, the loop variable, while I is less than 5, increment the loop variable, puts I, and before the print statement, if I is equal to 3, then next. Save it and run the script, and it shows each number except for 3. Now, sometimes we may need to run an always condition on some block of code until a certain condition occurs. So these types of loops are called infinite loops. The condition is always true. We can only exit with break statements. So in other words, we can use the loop keyword to create infinite loops. Also, other loop types can be used for infinite loops. Loop, do, put, infinite loop, save it and run. And see how it shows the put statement forever. Now we can control these types of loops with conditions and break statements. So let's create a program that gets a number from the user and then checks it to see if it's greater than 100. If so, it breaks the loop. If not, it continues to ask. So put, enter a number, number equals gets chomp to I. Let's convert to integer. If number is greater than 100, put breaking the loop. Break. Save it and run the script. So entering 5 continues to ask a number. Entering 50 asks again. Entering 120. And yeah, there you see that the condition is executed and the program is terminated.